Hi, I'm Najiha. Today I am going to talk about one of the most popular topic when it comes to disability or disabled person, which are discrimination. So we often see in our real life how people that are disabled are being discriminated. And today I am going to focus on the disability in workplace. So I am going to reflect on one of the articles that are published by the Majorian law firm on 2017. Okay, this article is the what is the disability discrimination in the workplace. There is three main point that I want to talk about based on this article. The first one is on the definition. So what is actually means by the disabled discrimination? So disability discrimination is an unlawful act performed by employer or other entity towards employee who has a mental or physical disability by showing a less favorable attitude. So we can see this type of discrimination when a different treat is given to the normal employee and a disabled employee when they are treated unequally or different. So we can see it as they are being discriminated. Okay, the second part of this article talk about when we're talking about disabled person, what does it actually mean? What disabled actually means? So here they point out few things on how you can see that one person is disabled. Okay, the first one is when this physical or mental impairment actually affect their social or their life in general. So, for example, a blind, a deaf, someone who cannot walk, someone who face difficulty, and all this that actually significantly affect their life, it can be seen as a disabled person. And other than that, we can also say someone to be disabled if there is proof by a professional. There is some statement saying that this person is disabled due to certain circumstances, which we can say that person to be disabled too. Okay, so the last part of this article talk about what is the common disability discrimination type. So there is a few types of discrimination that actually happen in the workplace nowadays. So one of it is like we discriminate in terms of they discriminate in terms of recruitment, in terms of hiring, or giving a training to the employee. And also there is a type of harassment towards some employee who due to their disability. This can be seen as discrimination of the disabled. And they also create, for example, the employer create a workplace that are non-disabled person friendly. They create a workplace that are full of barrier. They cannot, if someone using wheelchair, they don't have place they can actually really move around, and which cause them difficulty, which makes them feel like, oh, I cannot work here anymore. So this can be considered as a discrimination too. And there is also type of discrimination which are direct and indirect. Direct are usually it is given direct to the person, which it can be seen as discriminate them because of their disability or their family members, or maybe it's just a direct discrimination when the disabled person perceived it as a discrimination towards them. And indirect usually are not actually, it is an intentional discrimination which can happen. And last but not least, what I can conclude from this article, it is actually happening in Malaysia, especially. Even I have an experience of seeing how employer being discriminated in the workplace just because of their disability. So I really think there is a need to cope with this and to enforce law to enforce law to actually put up to the disabled person, especially in their workplace. That's all for me. Thank you.